In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare multiple files from one user in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to turn off broad link access, tighten permissions, and keep your files limited to only the people you choose. This walkthrough uses the standard sharing panel in Google Drive and is perfect if you need to quickly lock things down. Start by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. If your file list is long, use the search bar or switch to list view to make scanning easier. Locate the file or folder you want to unshare. Working on a folder is helpful when you want the change to apply to many items at once, though keep in mind that some files may retain their own custom settings if they were shared individually in the past. Hover over the item and click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu, then choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll make all your changes. At the top of the sharing window, click the Settings gear. These controls determine whether viewers and commenters can download, copy, or print your content. Turn off these options to prevent people from saving or duplicating your files outside Drive. Disabling these is a great way to stop content from spreading even if someone still has view access. Use the back arrow in the sharing window to return to the main panel. Now look for General Access at the bottom. If it says anyone with the link, that means anyone who has or receives the link can open the file. Click that section, select the Access dropdown, and change it to Restricted. Setting it to Restricted ensures the file or folder is only available to people you've explicitly added. This is the key step that effectively unshares your content from broad audiences and removes access for people who are relying on a shared link. Once you've set it to Restricted, review the top of the sharing panel to confirm who still has direct access. Only those listed will keep their permissions. When you're satisfied, click Done to save and close. Repeat the same process for any other files you want to secure. If you need to do this for many items, applying these settings to a top-level folder can save time, and then you can spot-check individual files as needed. Remember, turning off download, copy, and print plus switching general access to restricted gives you a strong, consistent way to unshare your content quickly while keeping control in your hands.